helicopter. Let's spell it together. H E L I C O P T E R. A helicopter goes up with spinning blades. Airplane. Let's spell it together. A I R P L A N E. An airplane flies high and carries people. Balloon. Let's spell it together. B A L L O O N. A balloon carries people in a basket and goes up with hot air. Glider. Let's spell it together. G L I D E R. A glider flies without an engine. Drone. Let's spell it together. D R O N E. A drone is small and flies without a pilot. Jet. Let's spell it together. J E T. A jet flies very fast and loud. Rocket. Let's spell it together. R O C K E T. A rocket goes into space. Seaplane. Let's spell it together. S E A P L A N E. A seaplane can land on water. Hang glider. Let's spell it together. H A N G G L I D E R. A hang glider lets people fly with open wings. Gyrocopter. Let's spell it together. G Y R O C O P T E R. A gyrocopter is a mini flying machine.